Hello children, now today I am going to tell you more about perimeter and area. Students, in first and second video we have learned very more things about shapes. Even in first video I told you about perimeter of a square and rectangle. Now once again I recall and solve some problems. I here write perimeter of rectangle. Is equal to 2 into L plus B. L means length and B means breadth. Now by the help of perimeter we can get length and breadth separately. So length of rectangle is equal to perimeter by 2 minus breadth of rectangle is equal to perimeter by 2 minus perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into one side, or in short form you can say 4a. Then one side of a square is perimeter by now students, I will solve some problems. Watch and learn and do exercises given in your book. Now students, there are some questions to find perimeter as a triangle of side 4 cm, 5 cm and 7 cm. Even we have seen this type of example in video 1. Once again, we will learn to find perimeter, we have to add the sides. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 7 cm. 4, 5, 9 and 7, 16. This is your answer. Now, question number 2 given. Find perimeter of an equilateral triangle of side 50 cm. Therefore, perimeter of triangle is equal. And equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal. Then it will be 15 into 3 cm is equal to 45 cm. Now, third question given, an isosceles triangle with equal sides 8 cm and third side as 6 cm. Means if two sides are equal, so we add two sides together, 8 plus 8, and again add third side at 6 cm. Therefore, perimeter of triangle is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 6 cm. The 8 added 16 and 6 20. Now, students, next question. Now, second question is telling find the perimeter of a regular rectangle whose side is 105 centimeter. Regular means or shape whose sides are equal. यानी ऐसा शेप जिसके सभी साइड बराबर होंगे उनको हम रेगुलर कहेंगे. रेगुलर क्वाड्रिलेटरल, रेगुलर डेकागन, रेगुलर पेंटागन, रेगुलर हेक्सागन. मींस कि उनके जितने साइड्स हैं वो सारे साइड क्या होने चाहिए? इक्वल होने चाहिए. तो एज इट इज अ डेकागन. डेकागन मींस कि shape of closed figure that has 10 sides. तो डेकागन में कितने हो गए? 10 साइड. And one side is of 105 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of regular decagon is equal to 10 into 105 cm means 1080 centimeter. Now third question is given a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of its side if string is used to form a square or a equilateral triangle or a regular pentagon or regular hexagon and a regular decagon. Students, इस क्वेश्चन में बताया गया है कि एक तार है, जैसे ये मान लो कि ये एक वायर हुआ और इसकी लंबाई कितनी हो गई? 30 सी. अब हम इस वायर से कोई भी शेप बना सकते हैं और उस शेप का पेरीमीटर उतना ही होगा जितना इस तार की लंबाई है. और इसलिए चूंकि हम अभी जो भी चीज दिए गए हैं वे ऐसे चीज दिए गए हैं जिनके सभी साइड्स क्या हो? इक्वल. इवन कि अनइक्वल साइड्स का भी तुम बना सकते हो, बट इन द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू गेट व्हाट इज द measure of each side. So here we get the one side of a square as one side means each side of a square. So how many sides are there in a square? 4. So to find one side we write perimeter over 4. Perimeter over 4 means total perimeter is 30. And 30 by 4 it will be 7.5. Okay? तो ये तुम जानते हो ना कि जैसे क्या करते हैं 4 divides 30. तो 7 4 7 का 20, 8 remainder 2 we put 0, decimal becomes 0. And 4 as a 20. This is your answer. Now B telling each side of equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle there are 3 equal sides, so it will be perimeter by 3. So we divide 30 by 3. Each side is of 10 cm. Now see, one side of regular pentagon, one side of regular pentagon. In pentagon there are 5 sides, so 30 divided by 5, it will be 6 cm. The one side of regular hexagon, the total perimeter is 30 by 6 is equal to 5 cm, and one side of regular decagon, in decagon how many sides? 10 sides, so we divide 30 by 10. Each side will be of 3 cm. Now we see the next question. Question is telling that find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of side 20 meter and 10 meter at the rate of ₹6 per meter. यानी एक रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क है जिसके साइज क्रमशः 20 मीटर और 10 मीटर है. This is the park 20 meter and 10 meter is given. तो कह रहे हैं अब इस पार्क के चारों तरफ घेरा लगाना है, फेंसिंग करना है, तो उसका कॉस्ट निकालना अगर 1 मीटर का कॉस्ट 6 रुपया है. Student, you have to remember that to find the length of fencing, to find the distance covered by a child who is doing cycling, or person who is taking around a fence, we always have to find a perimeter. So here we find the perimeter of the park. So perimeter of park is equal to 2 into L plus B, because it is a rectangle. So we write 2 into 20 plus 10 cm is equal to 20 and 10 will be 30 centimeter is equal to 60 centimeter. This is the perimeter. यानी इसके चारों तरफ इसके बाउंड्री की लंबाई कितनी हो गई? 60 सेंटीमीटर. Therefore, cost of fencing. Cost of fencing. So cost of 1 meter fencing is ₹6. Then total cost will be 6 into 60 means 360. Question number 5 tells Sweetie runs around a square park of size 75 meter and Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and width 45 meter. Who covers less? यानी कह रहा है स्वीटी एक स्क्वायर पार्क जिसका एक साइड 75 मीटर है, उसके चारों तरफ वो चक्कर लगा रही है, दौड़ रही है, और बुलबुल एक रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क के चारों तरफ दौड़ रही है जिसका एक साइड 60 मीटर का है, जबकि दूसरा साइड 45 मीटर का है. कौन कम दूरी को trachea. So children, we find the perimeter of both the parts. And this is the part of Sweetie. In square, all sides are equal. So Sweetie covers distance is equal to perimeter of a square. So one side of a square is given 75, so perimeter of a square is 4 into a, means 4 into 75 is equal to 300. Now we find the distance covered by bulbul, so we write a rectangle. One side is of 75, means length, and breadth is 60. Therefore, bulbul covers distance. Is equal to perimeter of rectangular part. Is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Means 2 into length is given 75 and breadth is given 60. So total sum is 135. 2 into 135 becomes 270. Now children, you can see that Sweetie takes 300 meter while bulbul covers 270 meter. Then you can find in which distance is more. You find that Sweetie covers more distance than bulbul, and our question is saying that who covers less distance, and therefore Sweetie covers less distance.